What's up, everybody? It's 2024, and these days, everyone's looking for new ways to generate some extra cash, right? The internet has opened up a world of possibilities, and more people are turning to online platforms to earn money. But let's be real for a second, okay? While the potential to earn is huge, it's important to remember that not all opportunities are created equal. You've got to be smart about this. There are tons of scams out there, and the last thing you want is to waste your time and energy on something that's not legit. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways you can actually make money online in 2024. These are legitimate methods that people are using right now to generate real income. We're talking about freelancing, online tutoring, e-commerce, and a whole lot more. So first up, let's talk about freelancing. This is a fantastic option if you have skills that you can offer remotely. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, virtual assistant, or anything in between, there's a global market of potential clients waiting to hire you. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. You can create a profile, showcase your portfolio, set your rates, and start bidding on projects that match your expertise. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and choose projects you're passionate about. It's a great way to be your own boss and control your income. Plus, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and command a higher income. Remember, your skills are valuable, so don't be afraid to price them accordingly. Now, if you love teaching and have a knack for explaining things, online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle or even a full-time gig. With the rise of online learning, the demand for qualified tutors has skyrocketed. Websites like TutorMe, Schooly, and Tutor.com connect students of all ages with tutors in various subjects. You could be tutoring anything from elementary math to advanced physics or even teaching English as a foreign language. To get started, you'll typically need to create a profile, pass a subject test, and complete a background check. Once you're approved, you can start connecting with students and scheduling online tutoring sessions. The great thing about online tutoring is that you can often set your own hours and work from the comfort of your own home. Plus, you get the satisfaction of helping students succeed while earning a solid income. Have you ever dreamed of running your own business? Well, e-commerce makes it easier than ever to turn that dream into a reality. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, you can set up an online store in a matter of hours and start selling products to a global audience. Now, you might be thinking, what am I going to sell? Well, the options are practically endless. You could sell handmade crafts, vintage clothing, imported goods, or even create your own unique products. Another popular approach is dropshipping, where you partner with a supplier who handles the storage and shipping of your products. This allows you to start an e-commerce business with minimal upfront investment. The key to e-commerce success is to find a niche, source high-quality products, create compelling product descriptions, and market your store effectively. It takes work, but the potential rewards are huge. All right, let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most popular ways to make money online. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales that you generate. Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate, and choose products that you want to promote. Then you create content, like blog posts, social media updates, or videos that include your unique affiliate links. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key is to choose products that you genuinely believe in and that would be relevant to your audience. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income, meaning you can continue to earn money from your efforts long after you've created the content. It's a win-win for both you and the businesses you're partnering with. If you're passionate about a particular topic and love creating videos, podcasts, or written content, then listen up. Content creation can be a lucrative way to earn money online while sharing your knowledge and passions with the world. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and TikTok have made it easier than ever to reach a massive audience with your content. And the best part is you can monetize your content in various ways. One of the most common methods is through advertising revenue. as your content gains views and subscribers. You can apply for monetization programs that allow you to display ads on your videos or podcasts. You can also generate income through sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your content. And if you have a loyal following, you can even sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or digital products. The key to success in content creation is to be consistent, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and engage with your followers. Did you know you can actually get paid for sharing your opinions? It's true! Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your insights. There are tons of websites and apps that allow you to participate in online surveys and market research studies in exchange for cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research. Now, I'll be honest with you, you're not going to get rich quick with online surveys. But if you have some spare time, and you enjoy sharing your thoughts on various topics, it can be a fun and easy way to earn a little extra cash. Just make sure to choose legitimate survey sites and be wary of any that ask for personal information up front or promise unrealistic rewards. The traditional 9-to-5 office job is becoming a thing of the past, my friends. More and more companies are embracing remote work, allowing employees to work from anywhere with an internet connection. This opens up a world of possibilities for those seeking a flexible and location-independent lifestyle. Whether you're a writer, developer, customer service representative, or anything in between, there are countless remote job opportunities available in almost every industry. Websites like Remote.co, We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and even LinkedIn are great resources for finding remote job openings. You can filter your search by industry, experience level, salary, and more. The beauty of remote work is that it allows you to ditch the commute, save money on transportation and work attire, and have more control over your schedule. Plus, you can work from anywhere in the world with a good internet connection. Are you an amateur photographer or just love capturing stunning images? Well, you can actually monetize your photography skills by selling your photos online as stock images. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock Photo, and Getty Images act as marketplaces connecting photographers with buyers looking for high-quality images for their websites, blogs, marketing materials, and more. You simply upload your photos, add relevant keywords, and set your prices. Every time someone licenses one of your images, you earn a royalty payment. The beauty of stock photography is that it's a passive income stream. Once you've uploaded your photos, they can continue to generate income for months or even years to come. Just make sure you have the rights to the images you upload and that they meet the technical requirements of the stock photography websites. If you're an expert in a particular field, creating and selling online courses or ebooks can be an incredibly rewarding and lucrative way to monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it easy to create, host, and sell online courses on virtually any topic imaginable. You can create video lessons, quizzes, downloadable resources, and even offer live Q&A sessions with your students. Similarly, you can self-publish ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, KDP, and reach millions of potential readers worldwide. Ebooks are a great way to share your knowledge in a more in-depth format and generate passive income. The key to success in online courses and ebooks is to identify a profitable niche, create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and market your products effectively. As businesses increasingly rely on technology and remote work, the demand for skilled virtual assistants, VAs, continues to grow. VAs provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely, freeing up their time and streamlining their operations. The tasks of a VA can vary widely depending on the client's needs, but may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, booking travel, creating presentations, handling social media, providing customer support, and much more. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized VA job boards are great places to find virtual assistant gigs. You can also market your services directly to businesses through your website or social media. The beauty of being a VA is that you can often set your own hours, work from anywhere, and choose clients and tasks that align with your skills and interests. It's a great way to become your own boss and have a flexible and rewarding career. So there you have it, 10 proven ways you can start earning money online in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or a complete career change, there's an online opportunity out there for you. The key is to do your research, choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests, and be patient and persistent. Building a successful online income stream takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips on personal finance, making money online, and building a secure financial future. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now go out there and crush it.